What is yerba mate? Yerba mate is an herbal tea made from the leaves and twigs of the Ilex paraguariensis plant. The leaves are typically dried over a fire, then steeped in hot water to make the tea. Yerba mate is traditionally consumed from a container called a gourd and sipped with a metal straw that has a filter at its lower end to strain out the leaf fragments. Sharing it from this traditional gourd is said to be a sign of friendship and bonding. Yerba mate is a type of tea made from the dried leaves and twigs of the Ilex paraguariensis plant. 1. Rich in antioxidants and nutrients. Yerba mate contains several beneficial plant nutrients, including xanthines. These compounds act as stimulants. They include caffeine and theobromine, which are also found in tea, coffee, and chocolate. Caffeoil derivatives. These compounds are the main health-promoting antioxidants in the tea. Saponins. These bitter compounds have certain anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering properties. Polyphenols. This is a large group of antioxidants, linked to a reduced risk of many diseases. Interestingly, the antioxidant power of yerba mate tea seems to be slightly higher than that of green tea. What's more, yerba mate may contain 7 out of 9 essential amino acids, in addition to nearly every vitamin and mineral your body needs. However, the tea contains very small amounts of these nutrients, so it's unlikely to make a large contribution to your diet on its own. Yerba mate is an antioxidant powerhouse that contains many beneficial plant nutrients. 2. Can boost energy and improve mental focus at 85 mg of caffeine per cup. Yerba mate contains less caffeine than coffee but more than a cup of tea. Therefore, just like any other caffeinated food or beverage, it may increase your energy levels and make you feel less tired. Caffeine can also affect the levels of certain signaling molecules in your brain, making it particularly beneficial for your mental focus. Several human studies observed improved alertness, short-term recall and reaction time in participants who consumed a single dose containing 37.5 to 450 mg of caffeine. Additionally, those who regularly consume yerba mate often rave that it enhances alertness like coffee, but without the jittery side effects. However, these testimonials have not yet been scientifically proven. Thanks to its caffeine content, yerba mate can help increase your energy levels and boost your mental focus. May enhance physical performance. Caffeine is also known to improve muscle contractions, reduce fatigue, and improve sports performance by up to 5%. Since yerba mate contains a moderate amount of caffeine, those drinking it can expect similar physical performance benefits. In fact, in one study, those given one 1-gram capsule of ground yerba mate leaves right before exercise burned 24% more fat during moderate intensity exercise. A higher reliance on fat for fuel during exercise spares your carb reserves for critical high-intensity moments, such as cycling up a hill or sprinting towards the finish line. This could translate into better sports performance. The optimal amount of yerba mate to drink before exercise is currently unknown. Yerba mate increases your body's reliance on fat for fuel during exercise. It may also improve muscle contractions and reduce fatigue, all of which may contribute to better physical performance. 4. May protect against infections. Yerba mate may help prevent infections from bacteria, parasites, and fungi. One test tube study found that a high dose of yerba mate extract deactivated E. coli, a bacteria that causes food poisoning symptoms like stomach cramps and diarrhea. Compounds in yerba mate may also prevent the growth of Malassezia furfur, a fungus responsible for scaly skin, dandruff, and certain skin rashes. 15 Trusted source. Finally, research suggests that compounds in it may provide some protection against intestinal parasites. Nevertheless, most of these studies were done on isolated cells. It's currently unclear if these benefits are the same for humans, and more research is needed. Yerba mate may have some antibacterial, antiparasitic, and antifungal properties. However, more research is needed. 5. May help you lose weight and belly fat. Animal studies show that yerba mate may reduce appetite and boost metabolism, which can help with weight loss. It seems to decrease the total number of fat cells and reduce the amount of fat they hold. Human research suggests that it can also increase the amount of stored fat that's burned for energy. Furthermore, in a 12-week study in overweight people, those given 3 grams of yerba mate powder per day lost an average of 1.5 pounds (0.7 kilograms). They also reduced their waist-to-hip ratio by 2%, which indicates lost belly fat. 21 Trusted source. In comparison, the participants given a placebo gained an average of 6.2 pounds (2.8 kilograms) and increased their waist-to-hip ratio by 1% over the same 12-week period. Yerba mate may reduce appetite, boost metabolism, and increase the amount of fat burned for fuel. This could help you lose weight. 6. May boost your immune system. Yerba mate contains saponins, which are natural compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. In addition, it provides small amounts of vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium, and zinc. These antioxidants can strengthen your immune system and promote health. However, researchers have not yet investigated the direct effects of yerba mate on the human immune system. Yerba mate has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may boost your immune system. 7. Lowers blood sugar levels. Yerba mate may help lower blood sugar and reduce the complications of diabetes. In fact, a recent animal study reports that it may improve insulin signaling. It may also reduce the formation of advanced glycation end products (AGEs), which are involved in the development and worsening of many diseases. However, research in people is currently lacking. Yerba mate may improve insulin signaling and blood sugar control. However, more human research is needed. 8. May lower your risk of heart disease. Yerba mate contains antioxidant compounds, such as caffeoyl derivatives and polyphenols, which may protect against heart disease. Cell and animal studies also report that mate extract may provide some protection against heart disease. In humans, yerba mate seems to reduce cholesterol levels. In one 40-day study, participants who drank 11 ounces 330 milliliters of yerba mate each day lowered their bad LDL cholesterol levels by 8.6 to 13.1%. That said, more studies are needed before strong conclusions can be reached. Yerba mate's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and cholesterol-lowering properties may help protect against heart disease. How to prepare yerba mate? Yerba mate is traditionally served in a container called a gourd, also known as a calabash. It's commonly sipped through a metal straw that has a filter on its lower end to strain out the leaf fragments. To prepare mate, fill the bottom third of the calabash with dried or toasted mate leaves prior to adding hot water. If you do not own a calabash, you can prepare it in a French press. The tea is often served with burnt sugar, lemon juice, or milk and can be topped off with hot water several times before using new leaves to make a new batch. Although traditionally consumed hot, yerba mate may also be served cold, especially in hot climates.